This is how to install a metal sign that has sawtooth brackets on the back and uses the blue anchors. First thing you want to do is you want to measure from the center to the center on the sawtooth brackets. And we have 20 1/4 inches. So we'll just kind of come down from the top, say 3 inches, and we'll go over 20 1/4. Come down another 3. And that would be where we drill the holes for our anchors. So an alternative method is just put a level up there, mark on your level your level up. And again, just make your marks. You need a drill with a 3/16 inch drill bit in it. So just drill a hole. Take your blue mollies, your anchors, come in there, tap them in. Take the screws that came in your screw pack. Screw those in, but don't tighten them down all the way. You want just a little bit of the head sticking out, maybe about 1/8 of an inch or so. Take your sign, put your sawtooth brackets into the top of the screws, and that's all there is to it.